Hi, welcome to Catia 5 video tutorial. I want to do the second part in the Trolley series. So let's go for a new part. Call this tripod. Don't enable hybrid design, and you don't have to create a geometrical set at all. And F1, you go for a geometrical set and not for an ordered geometrical set. Okay. Now I want to use some parameters in this part, so I go for fx, define one new parameter of type length and call this one gear center, which should be 55, apply, new parameter of type length, call it gear mid, and this should be 25, apply, and another one called gear wide, which should be 39, apply and confirm. Now I got three parameters which I will use in my sketch. So go for a sketch, maybe on that plane, hide as usual the yellow projected elements, and I want to have a rectangle, but I don't want to have these parallel constraints, so just delete them. Give it some constraints. Maybe this is 40. This line should be coincident, and these should be symmetric to that axis. Give it a parallel constraint right here. Okay. Now I need some circles, which should be only for construction. I don't want to catch these constraints. I could catch this one, this constraint, but I will set them manually. And another one like this. Now let's give it some dimensions. This one should be, make sure it's radius, otherwise you cannot add a formula. Go for the linear parameters. That's gear center. Next one is gear mid. And this one should be gear wide. Confirm. Now this should be on that coincident and on the other axis as well. This should be on this axis coincident, and that one. These two should be tangent. That's necessary for the slide, for the roll curve constraints in the assembly. Okay, this looks good. Now let's move this up, and let's make this half the length, 20. Confirm. Now let's make an extrude. Make it mirrored, make it for example 5. Make it a tritangent fillet. 1, 2, third one. And now let's make a circular pattern. If you don't select something beforehand, you always will get there the current solid and you cannot activate keep specifications. In this case, it's okay to pattern the current solid because I won't use this pattern in my assembly. Okay, so select this one, go for a complete crown, try always to go for the complete crown, make it 3 instances and confirm. Next I want to do a pad. I will use this sketch again, so copy and paste it right here. And this all should be for construction only. 1, 2. Just put a circle right there. And this should be standard. And this should maybe 10. Confirm. Now let's make a pad and make it 15. Now this I want to reuse in my assembly, so if I make a circular pattern, complete crown, 3 instances, yes, that's the reference element, and I don't want to use the current solid but just that feature. And then you can activate keep specifications, and that's necessary, otherwise you cannot reuse the pattern in a good manner in the assembly. Okay, now let's add a hole. So select this edge, select the tool, select the plane, make this 20 and make it not blind but up to last and confirm. Now I want to reuse this as well, so I will make another circular pattern, 3, complete crown, that's the reference element, and I want to pattern the hole and keep specifications and confirm. Now let's add some fillets. This edge, that edge, and this edge, and make it 30. Maybe more, make it 60. Yeah, that's okay. And another hole is needed, so go for hole, select the face where you want to put the hole. Again 20 up to last, it's okay, but now I have to go for the positioning sketch because I didn't select this or some circular edge beforehand, so don't use these yellow elements, it will not work. And just put this point right there, coincident, and again right there, coincident. You could hide these yellow elements if you want, because you cannot use it anyway. So let's select them, maybe like this. And the constraints are also hidden, that doesn't matter. And confirm. Nice. Now, I told you, if you want to reuse these parameters in your assembly, you should publish them. So go for Tools, Publication, parameters, user parameters, and you have to publish them single, one by one. First one, next one, and the last one. Confirm, confirm. Now you got these 3 published elements, and that will do. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to see more, especially the trolley, give it a like down below. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.